No matter who you are, how young or where you're from, you have the power to change the world. And there's no better day to start than today. First, be kind. The smallest act of kindness is worth more than the greatest intention. Even a simple smile can brighten someone's day. Next, learn. And develop a passion to learn. Learning is the only thing the mind never exhausts, never fears, and never regrets. Knowledge is power, and it starts with one book at a time. Volunteer. You give but little when you give of your possessions. It is when you give of yourself that you truly give. Help out at local shelters, food drives, or clean up parks. Speak up. Use your voice to stand up for what's right. As Martin Luther King Jr., our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter. Even small actions count. When done consistently, they count the most. Recycle, save water, and reduce waste. Share your passion. Inspire others by showing them what you're passionate about. Remember, it's the little things that add up. As Mahatma Gandhi said, be the change you wish to see in the world. You're never too young to make a difference. Start today and watch the world change around you.